Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Georgia boy smoked sausage. Let's start with pan frying, a quick and easy method. First, slice your sausage into half-inch thick pieces. Heat a large skillet over medium heat, adding a tablespoon of oil if desired. Cook the sausage for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally, until each piece is beautifully browned and heated through. This method creates a lovely, crispy exterior. Next up, let's talk about grilling, which adds a fantastic smoky flavor. Preheat your grill to a medium heat, aiming for around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the whole sausages directly on the grates. Grill them for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to turn them frequently to ensure even cooking and those appealing grill marks. You'll know they're ready when they're heated through and have a nice light char. For a hands-off approach and wonderfully even cooking, baking is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the whole Georgia boy smoked sausages in a single layer on a baking sheet. Bake them for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to flip them halfway through the cooking time to ensure they are thoroughly heated and browned on all sides. It's simple and delicious. Now that your Georgia boy smoked sausage is perfectly cooked, let's explore some delicious serving ideas. For breakfast, try serving sliced sausage alongside fluffy scrambled eggs and creamy grits. For a hearty lunch, pair grilled sausage with sautéed peppers and onions in a warm bun. And for dinner, incorporate baked sausage into a comforting pasta dish or a flavorful stew. Enjoy your versatile and tasty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.